Good afternoon and welcome to another day of vlogmas. My hair is very curly. I've been doing that TikTok scarf curling thing, and it's kind of nice because I just wake up, take it out, and then live my life. I've been looking at emails and having a lot of fun and watching stepmom in the background. What am I gonna do today? I don't know. I feel like I should do something specific. This is my setup right now. Like, I put all those pillows on the floor. And I stack them on top of the, and then I fold everything and then I plop it on the bed. I think I kind of want to do something today. I think I'm gonna go visit family today. So I can't really film that because they don't like being filmed. Maybe I'll film their dogs because they have, like, I think they're cute, but they're kind of like those, my older dog Layla, who is not here anymore, but I used to think she was the cutest little thing ever. I mean, she was kind of ugly, but she's so ugly that she was cute, and that's how I would describe these dogs. Like, they're so ugly that they're cute, you know? Like, all dogs are cute, but they're ugly cute. I'm not insulting them. Like, they're cute. They're just like, they're not a golden doodle, you know? They're like the Pete Davidson of dogs. Okay, see you guys later. Oh my goodness, it's currently 3 p.m. and I have been pausing this movie, Stepmom. I have never seen it, and it was a bad choice to watch while doing work because I keep wanting to pay attention to it, because it's one of those movies that you have to, I don't know, it's just, I've never seen it, and I thought it'd be like a chill, cute little Christmas background type of movie, but no, it's sad and it's good. Of course, like, I should have known. I mean, Susan Sarandon is in it and Julia Roberts, like, of course it was gonna be good. So I'm gonna take a bit of a break and go for a run. Also, I haven't even showed my nails. Aren't they just the cutest? I love them. I painted them myself because I am ¿cómo se dice? Picky.
So every time I go to a salon to get my nails done, I am just always super picky, and that's my biggest flaw. My biggest character flaw is probably the fact that I'm super picky with nails. Unless I do them myself, like, I could mess up and I'd be fine with it. And I think I'm only picky because it's expensive to get your nails done. Like, if I pay, I don't know, $40 or $30, some people pay $100. If I pay any amount more than $10 for someone to do my nails, and I don't know, I don't need them to be perfect. I'm just really picky. I know they're all doing it. And okay, don't think that I complain to them. Like, no, I never complain to them. If anything, they think that they did a wonderful job because I'll tip them. I'll tip them more than I probably should have, but that's only because I'm a decent human being. And I know that it's hard to do nails, but I just know that personally, I would rather do them myself than go somewhere. Because I know that a lot of people that go to nail salons, they go there because they like to get nails done that they can't do themselves, and I know I can do, like, simple designs myself. Okay. What was I gonna say? Oh, frick!
Okay, I have to go for a run right now because I am going to visit family later today. I completely forgot about that. Okay, yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go for my run. Are you ready? Boy, are you ready? Oh, you're so cute. Okay, I'm back, and I'm yeah. doesn't get any easier, does it? Oh well. I did it, and that's all that matters. Okay, I'm gonna go shower, and then eat, and then go visit family. I feel like this is deja vu. Oops. I am once again home. And once again watching The King, Julian, because Hassan is banned. So I don't know what to do with myself. I'm kidding. I do know what to do with myself. Okay, I can live without watching Hassan stream every day. I usually don't, but since I was sick, since vlogmas started, I just kind of got used to watching him while editing, but now I'm just like, oh. So it's kind of good that he got banned, so I can change up my routine, because it's good to switch it up, you know? So you don't get compliant, because compliancy causes injury, or I don't know the saying. That's probably right, actually. I wanted to talk about the bagel I just ate, because I bought this, so I made the, you probably saw in yesterday's vlog, that bagel that I bought. Oh my god, that bagel was so good. It probably looked gross, but whatever, gross food is good. Gross looking food is good, okay? If you're only focused on the presentation, then how good is the flavor, okay? I know humans eat with their eyes, but do we really? Because y'all will eat a raw, no, not a raw, but like you'll wash a raw turkey, you'll see it, you'll see the skin. I just made myself nauseous. I know that I eat fish and I eat it raw, but like, if I'm willing to see the fish raw and not be grossed out by it, then like I am so... I need a moment. Poultry is just... I can't get on board. I'm sorry. Like, ripping... Oh my... I can't even... Okay, whatever. Like, I remember when I was younger, I think one of the grossest things that has happened to me is my mom would buy a rotisserie chicken, right? And one time I had to, like, I don't know how to say it in English, I know how to say it in Spanish, like deshebrar, you know, like when you rip it apart. Why am I getting grossed out talking about this? You know, and then this one time my mouth is getting watery, you know, when you're like I had to rip the chicken leg. And just the sound, it's the sound of the leg like popping off. Oh god, it was gross. And it wasn't until like I got my own income and I was able to buy vegan food that I was like, yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna eat the chicken anymore. I'm not gonna eat the turkey anymore. I've seen my mom wash the turkey too many times. If I don't want to eat it raw, I'm not gonna eat it cooked. That's the rule. That's the rule for me, baby. Everyone has access to it. I'm not pushing this on anyone. It's just my own thing. Well, I hope you enjoyed my chicken grossed out story. Thank you for watching today's vlogmas, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.